Hey there! I'm Brad, the official BeeSavvy Trainer, and I'm here to be your personal guide on this exciting journey. I'll walk you through all the amazing features and functionalities, showing you exactly how to make the most out of BeeSavvy's suite of sales and marketing tools. Together, we'll explore every aspect of BeeSavvy, from customer communication to appointment scheduling, website building to automated workflows. I'll be right by your side, sharing my knowledge and expertise to help you harness the full potential of BeeSavvy. With me as your trusted companion, you'll learn all the tips, tricks, and strategies to achieve remarkable results for your sales and marketing efforts. We'll dive deep into customer engagement, lead generation, and business growth, unlocking the secrets that BeeSavvy holds. So, get ready for an enlightening adventure. Sit back, relax, and let me take you on a journey where we'll discover how BeeSavvy can revolutionize your sales and marketing strategies. Together, we'll make sure you're equipped with the knowledge and skills to succeed. Let's dive in and make the most of BeeSavvy's incredible suite together.